¿Qué es esto? What is this? What is it? Hold on. What are you doing? ¿Qué hace? You're in love with her? It's a joke. Eso es una broma. Señores, este muchacho que está aquí dice que también está enamorado de ella. This little one right here says he's in love with Pancha too. Y que yo la serenata estuvo muy chirri. The things I did for her was nothing. He says he can impress my girl better than me. Que él puede impresionar a mi chica mejor que yo. ¿Quieren ver? You want to see? We can fix it right here on the dance floor. So, siéntate aquí, mi amor. Take a seat right here, baby. See, yeah. Don't put that position on her, please. Yeah. Turn around because she is very fragile. Right there, muy frágil, baby. El muchacho dice que lo tiene mejor, o sea, eso, ¿me entendió? ¿Sí? The guy says he can be better than me, so I really want to say this, because whatever he got, I think I got it better. So everybody, put your hands together for this, my friend, right here. Come on, everybody. Everybody! Oh yes! Give it up, everybody! Quite competitive, bueno, sí, bueno, muy bueno. Pero aquí yo no tengo la palabra. I'm not the one with the word.